Welcome back, everyone. You know, we're looking ahead to a really pleasant looking afternoon. Quite chilly, but seasonably so. 38 is the current value outside Kutztown Area Middle School right now. We do still have a noticeable breeze, and you notice how it's changing before your very eyes. Live observations will do that. But that breeze is sort of hit and miss. We'll call it a brisk afternoon, but at least it's sunny. And there's nothing atypical really about the temperatures we're finding out there. The colder air is still working its way in, and you can really tell there's a westerly wind flow just by tracking these very modest little bands of snow coming downwind currently of Lakes Erie and Ontario. That lake effect snow has been completely confined to upstate New York. You guys can have it. It's just because of the way the wind is blowing. Now, if it were to turn more northwesterly, parts of PA would certainly get involved in it. But we have our own snow chances down the road here. For now, though, storm scan remains nice and clear. And when we look at the wide zoom, it doesn't stay that way because you've got our next storm system already showing some signs of development here. Yes, that's snow even across the Mexican border there, but that's what eventually is going to roll northeast. It's the track that is giving us just headaches here in the weather department because the storm is going to essentially clip the coast. The problem is, how far inland does it go? And I'm telling you, with every single run of the guidance, it continues to flip on some models, stay consistent in others. So it's at this point one of those things I don't feel responsible telling you exactly what's going to happen because it's still a question mark. So I'm going to tell it to you in terms of chances. You've got the best shot to see snow Friday night into Saturday, closer to the shore you go, because you're closer to the storm. But there is still a chance that even the short points get totally bypassed. But there is even a possibility that it nudges, say, another 45 to 50 miles inland, and even Philly gets in on some snowflakes. How much would we be talking? Likely modest accumulations of a coating to an inch or two. But again, that's something that we've got to monitor, so please stick with us. Meanwhile, as we take you out to a Pocono camera, this is up at Blue Mountain. Boy, that is some sun glare. You can't even see up to the top of the mountain. It looks like heaven shining down on Blue Mountain here, but they're going to have a pretty good weekend, I think, up at the mountains because the chill is there and we don't have any major storms coming through to hinder folks from taking the northeast extension up toward the Poconos. Here's where we currently stand. Our temperatures are pretty much where they should be. I think we'll get you a few more degrees milder than this by the height of the afternoon. About 48 is what we're calling for a high. It's cold in the mountains, boy, and it's going to stay that way right into the next few days. But beyond skiing, you've got some other events going on here. Army-Navy game, which you'll see right here on CBS 3, if you're not a fan of the cold, is certainly going to be a chilly one. At kickoff at 41 degrees at best, and that's pretty much where we expect to top off low 40s if you're lucky through the majority of the afternoon for the next couple of days. So let's take a look. It's not just Friday night into Saturday that we have that possibility of snow from that bypassing storm to our southeast. Even Sunday, Arctic air reinforcements are coming in here, and that's going to allow for not just a cold breeze, but also maybe a few additional snowflakes to fly out there on Sunday. It wouldn't stick or accumulate necessarily, but it would be enough to add the wintry atmosphere. And then a new storm is possible to develop into Tuesday, and depending on its timing, it could be snow, it could be rain, it could be a mix of the two. It's just getting active out there, guys, and certainly chilly for the next few days as well.